What's up, Kavafied? Here we got our Vesi with brown, Kavafied Tanoa, holds 1.5 gallons, stacked with 4 alu shell caps. These are the patented coconut shell caps for our Aluball Pro. They're now in stock. They hold 6 ounces of kava, so perfect for pouring your shells with the Aluball Pro, but very nice complement to the Kavafied Tanoa. So let's make some quick kava. I'm going to be using Kava Supreme today. It's a Vanuatu noble kava, one of our best sellers since day one. Check it out, very strong. We got pre-measured 8 tablespoons of kava root powder. This is the Kava Supreme. We're going to use about a liter of water. Let's make a little quick mini mix to put in our Aluball Pro. And here we have our reusable 100 micron Kavafied traditional kava strainer bag. If you like a smoother mix, highly recommend getting our Pro Kava strainer bag to double sieve after you've mixed the kava with this. So again, we got 8 tablespoons of kava root powder. We're using Kava Supreme, our best seller out of Vanuatu, and a little over 1 liter of water. We're using cold water. Sometimes, especially on a hot day, definitely like to just mix with ice cold water. Again, the best trick and an analogy for kneading kava is to think of yourself hand washing your dirty clothes. So, and this is your dirty clothes. You're gonna want to wring this out until it's clean. So you're trying to get all the goodness out of here, which in this case are the fine kava starches and fibers that hold most of the kavalactones. So you want to knead your kava until it rings clean. So a good way to test how well you made your kava after this is to get a fresh bowl of clean water and soak this in and put this over the bowl here. And if it rings thick, you still got a ways to go. If it rings pretty clear, it means you're pretty much done kneading, got the most out of your kava root powder. So let us know how you make your kava. If you're looking for simpler ways to make your kava, check out our Aluball Pro Kava Maker that simplifies kava making to the equivalent of shaking a protein shake. The only limitation is you are only making 1 to 2 shells at a time. If you need to make a gallon and like to get into gadgets, we do have our patent pending Magic Kava Bucket and Kava wash machine out there for you to tinker with. It's highly popular too, all around the world. These are the caps for the Aluball Pro. It's in black or noni green. They also double as 6-ounce kava serving shells. So perfect for the Tanoa, also perfect on the go with the Aluball Pro.